In this video, I'm going to show you how to backtest on TradeZella. So the first thing you have to do here, you want to go to the left-hand side and you want to click on backtesting, which is the second button over here. Now, when you click on that, it's going to prompt you to create a session. You can do this either over here or by clicking create session top left. And then whenever you do that, you first have to give your session a name. I'm going to name this one tutorial. And of course, you can give a description for easier logging and basically for easier navigation in case you have multiple of these backtesting sessions. And then also you could add a strategy, so in case you have any active strategies, you could go ahead and apply it or create a new one in case you don't have one yet. So that's completely up to you. I'm just going to use no strategy for this tutorial over here because of course I don't want to waste your time. And then here the symbols are as follows. So you want to click in here and then you'll be able to see a bunch of different symbols for futures, forex, stocks, and crypto. So for this tutorial, I'm just going to select Bitcoin USD here, and of course you can do multiple. I'm just going to do this one, and then you have to put on the start date, for which I'm going to use December the 1st, 2025, and then I'm going to go until December 10th, 2025. Okay, here you of course want to put in the start balance as well. I'm going to do 10k over here, and then your leverage, as you can see, is going to be shown here as well. And then you can just click on create session, and the session will basically start over here inside your monitor, and you can basically see this is kind of the backtesting powered by the trading view charts. So how to backtest? It's very simple. The simple navigation is up here. You can basically see your current date, so I can go ahead and I can scroll through, and as you can see, I'll be able to basically move in time, and you can go back or of course forward. That's completely up to you. And then down here, what you have is the speed at which you want to go. So you can go once, like 0.5x speed, 1x speed, which is normal, and then 2 times, 5 times, or 10 times. And then with these buttons, you could go ahead and jump to a specific candle or to a specific day. And then down here is where you can go ahead and play. And if I hit this play button here, as you can see, it's going to start going forward. Now of course it's going to go forward at that time speed over here and by 1 minute, because that's what I have set. Now here you can do 1 second, 2 second, 10 second, half a minute, or 30 seconds, and 1 minute. So those are all the options you have. You could also sync time frame if you want to, but I'm going to leave this at 1 minute. And then if you just want to move one candle forward, in this instance here, it's just going to basically move 1 minute forward, as you can see up top over here. So that's kind of the basics. I can do play over here, and then I can see it's just basically going through in time. It's drawing out my chart here, and I can go ahead and kind of follow what's going on here inside my chart with the specific symbol I selected. Of course, you could go ahead and set different indicators. You could go ahead and change these different appearances of charts, etc. So that's completely up to you. But for this tutorial, I'm just going to leave it like it is here. But again, as you can in TradingView, you can draw, you can chart, you can do technical analysis, whatever you wish. Now, here at the bottom, this is also one of the most important parts. You have the option which says orders, open positions, and closed positions. So over here, you can of course go ahead and basically create orders. So I can do quantity. I'm going to do 1. And I can do buy at a specific point. So let's say I want to buy over here, and then I'm going to click on that, and it's going to pop up inside my open positions down here at the bottom. And now I can basically just move forward. I can move forward, and as you can see, it's going to basically change this unrealized P&L down here at the bottom. And of course, you can then go ahead and backtest your strategy. That way, I could go ahead over here and close this position, click on close position, and there we go. As you can see, I've pretty much taken like the profit inside my demo balance here, inside my backtester. So I could just go forward again, and I could go and, for example, sell, and there we go. It's still going to go, and as you can see, it's here. It's showing my unrealized P&L, and I can go ahead and, of course, stop. I could close the position. I could edit the position. I can do pretty much whatever I want with it, and you can just go ahead and backtest that way. So these are basically kind of the basics of backtesting. You can just use this pause button, and then you can move forward or move back a bit, or just move by this over here, which will allow you to basically go ahead and just kind of navigate and backtest your strategy here directly inside TradeZella. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.